So I've got some nutsedge in my kidney bean garden in the front yard. Kind of gotten away from me, I've kind of neglected it, and it's just gotten out of control, so it's time to really go after it. And last year I did a video in my backyard taking care of some nutsedge with Sedgehammer, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the kidney bean here. If you have nutsedge, there's lots of products on the market. Sedgehammer is my product choice today because it's in the garage. I have it readily available, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. So with that, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and apply Sedgehammer to the nutsedge here. So Sedgehammer comes primarily in these small half-ounce packets. It's a water-soluble granular. All you do is pour that packet into a gallon of water and mix it up, and you're good to go. The nice thing is if you have this in your grass, which is pretty common, most grasses are tolerant. So Kentucky bluegrass, fescue, ryegrass, and then your warm season grasses too are tolerant to nutsedge. So you don't have to worry about it taking out your grass or anything. It will just take out the nutsedge. We'll mix this up in a gallon of water and then just apply it. And if you have rain forecasted, as long as you have about a 4-hour window before the rain actually comes, you should be just fine. So here we are a month later, and as you can see, all of the nutsedge that was treated is just brown. Now of course we've had lots of time for the Sedgehammer to actually do its thing, but we've also had low temperatures and freezes that have also contributed to that as well. So something else to keep in mind, but you can definitely tell that the Sedgehammer worked. And I think the main way that I'll be able to tell is next spring when I start watering again, if it comes up as much. But as you can see, you still don't get the nut when you pull it, but the root is like zorched pretty good. So I'm gonna call it good, and come spring we're gonna clean up this kidney bean a little bit and make it look nice. Well, that's going to go ahead and wrap things up for that one. I apologize for not getting results right at 10 days or 2 weeks. Things just got super busy. We had these really fast freezes come on. I went to GIE in between, and so much happening. So wanted to get you something and show you at least a month out. I feel like that's still reasonable, just so you can kind of know what to expect. I really do like Sedgehammer. It works really well, and I like using it. It's really inexpensive too, and if you just have small areas like that, then it's extremely inexpensive because you'll need one packet. So hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.